Hi everyone, this video is for my quick pick weekend video. I do realize that is not the weekend. I'm temporarily moving this to Tuesday for this week. I probably will not stick with Tuesday though. I just happen to have some free time today, so that's why I picked up some quick picks. If you are new here, all this video is where I go and pick up some quick picks and then I share them with all of you. And then the goal is to have you compare it to your own workouts. And then if you like the numbers, of course, play them as long as you've done your back testing to make sure your state likes these numbers. And that's pretty much all that there is to this. So here we go. Alright, and also a lot of times these will be one-off. So also keep that in mind also when you compare to your own workouts. Alright, so we got 960, 118, 643, 531, 976 for the pick threes. Out of those, the one, of course, that I like the best is the 118 because it's a double. That one could also show as either 918, 018, or 818. And then, of course, do the one up or down with the others as well. Alright, so for the Powerball and the Mega Million, if you are new here, sometimes what happens is the numbers 2 or 3 will, from the Mega Million, will go to the Powerball, and the Powerball will go to the Mega Million. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't always happen, but just as a heads up. Alright, so for the Powerball, I have 25, 26, 35, 41, 65, 8, 10, 41, 42, and 48. For the other one, it's 34, 36, 38, 55, and 60. Alright, let me see if I can adjust that. There we go. And then Mega Mill, I have 21, 32, 35, 46, 68, and then that last one is 11, 19, 41, 56, and 69. Alright, and then don't go anywhere just yet. I wanted to go over something really quick. Or not really quick. So on this ticket right here, this one, the one on your right here. So you see how I was just staring at this ticket being like, why do these numbers look so familiar? And the reason for that is in my last video, and yes, I do realize this is a Mega Million ticket, so get that out of your head for a second, okay, while I cover this. Alright, so in my last video of the Powerball numbers, the numbers I had chosen that I thought would show up with the number 11 being the first number, the numbers I chose from one of those sets was 11, 18, 41, 57, and 58. And also this was in the other set I discussed in that video, but I also liked the number 56. So look at this. Normally, I would just forget about that past video, and then this ticket is good for one draw, so I would normally just, if I didn't win, I would just toss it, of course, and not think about it again. But because I did this video, this last one, these numbers really caught my eye. So look how close that is. 11, 18, so it's one off. 41, 57, again, it's one off. And then I really like that 56 in that last video. And then the 69, I don't know where that came from. But look at that, 11, 40, so it's very, very close. Very, very strange. So what I think may happen is that I want to say probably 3 of these numbers, the 11, 19, 41, 56, and 69, I really do think that at least 3 of those numbers will show up in the next, I would say, they're probably going to show up together. Really don't like to put a timeline on it, but I would say, let's give it 6 months, 6 months to 12 months for those 3 to show up. But it'd be cool if all 5 did show up. But it's just something I wanted to point out since it was so close to my other numbers down here that I chose. And then also in my last video, I did mention in a different set about the -11 pattern. So here you see how the number 58 right here, if you add 11 instead of subtract, you do have 69. And that 69 also mirrors the 41. You see that? So you have to do it backwards, but 41 does equal out to 69 there with the mirrors, with the 4 being the 9 and the 1 being the 6. So anyway, it's just something I found interesting and I just wanted to point it out. Again, make sure you do compare to your own workouts before you decide to play, if you do. And then that's it. I normally do not like to hold numbers super, super long. I do like to hold on to them for a brief time, but I think I may hold on to this for a while. So, we'll see. All right. That is it, everybody. If you do have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section. Also, let me know out of the pick 3s which ones you like the best, or if you have any that are close to that you like better.